On this episode of Compass Conundrum, we will be camping at Lake Louisa State Park in Clermont, Florida. It's a 4,500-acre state park known for its beautiful lakes, rolling hills, scenic landscapes, and amazing sunsets. After completing an 8-mile trekking/orienteering race on your own adventure race with Florida Extreme Adventures, we decided to settle in for a nice campfire and some great cooking opportunities. We hope you enjoy this average adventure. Got a little camping cooking going on. Got some green beans. Gonna cook up some salmon. Got some mushrooms. Get them mushrooms on. So a little bit of mushrooms. Get that salmon. Get them green beans. Little camping cooking. And if you look over here, Ange and Tanya got that fire going. Man, it's a good night for Compass Conundrum. Good night for Compass Conundrum. 7 miles of hiking. Then we went and saw one of the greatest places on earth, better than Disney World. Showcase the citrus. Gotta go see it. Campfire to end the day off. That's what it's all about. Alright. Got that salmon with them green beans right there. Yeah. Salmon and green beans. Gonna cook that up. A little bit of mushrooms. Them hot. Woo-wee. Ooh, some mushrooms cooked up right there. And don't be judging my camping stuff over here. I hear you guys over there. It's gonna be good though. It's gonna be good. A little bit of beer. That's how you get it going. No, I forgot to heat those up. But we got salmon, green beans, and mushrooms. So, nice little camping setup. What's the temperature? Anybody know? Comfortable? Yeah, well, you're dressed as if it's Antarctica, so you should be comfortable. I mean, that should be... We know. We know. No vitamin D. You said no vitamin D. A little bit of mushrooms on there. So, nice little camping meal here. Oh, Ange's going to show us her display here. Yeah, salmon, green beans, mushrooms, fire. Yeah, man. You know, other family members could have came, but they decided they didn't want to. The children said, "Nah, we don't want to go camping." Yeah, and then Ange has her toboggan with the headlamp on it. So our mom got us these. Head warmers that come with their own lights. And so now you can just sit. You don't have to have a headlamp. It's built into your heated head warmer. So, but nice little fireside dinner for Compass Conundrum. Jeff, Tanya, Ange. Nobody else wanted to come. We invited them all, and none of them came. Good night. After this. Yeah, I guess it's hot. All right, so Ange is going to be, she's sleeping in her van tonight. So we're going to scope out her van setup. So she's in her van. That's her little place. She's got these little I don't know what the hell they are. They're like, you put them on your door and then she can have her windows open. Is your window open, Ange?
The window's down.
Oh yeah, so so she can get some ventilation. And I'm gonna go on the front, and this is her get up, man. She's gonna sleep in the van because she's practicing for a possible adventure here in the near future where she goes van camping with her and her husband. So this is their setup, or her setup. She's test running it without Mike, but got some cross ventilation. She's got a moon roof, so she can open it up and see the stars.
No.
And so it's kind of cool little setup, man. This is a cool little thing. She'll see. If not, she's gonna come sleep in the camper with us later if it doesn't work out. But it's pretty cool. All right, Lake Louisa State Park. We are at site 57. It's actually a cool site. Ange slept in her van because she's practicing her van life sleeping, so when she goes on trips she can do that with her husband. We brought the old beater, the old we've had this pop-up camper forever, and it fits all of our kids, so we just never got rid of it. But this is our site. Lake Louisa really has a nice sites, great gravel sites, fire pit, picnic table. We didn't set it up. I really wish I would have, but they actually have setups for your hammocks, so that's kind of cool that they have that set up for you. And you can do a couple different things. You could even put maybe a slack line up if you wanted to. But our site was pretty cool. We would stay here again. You got a neighbor across here, but we got a great sunset last night. So we had the fire up, had a nice sunset looking across the old cypress trees. There's a lake back there. The coveted site, I guess at Lake Louisa, I believe is site number 27. And I'll have to confirm that. But that one overlooks the water, this particular lake that I'm looking at. But great park. 4,500 acres for this park, so it's a huge park. Lots of hiking trails. Has a lake that you can actually enter and swim if you are from Florida. That probably doesn't bother you. But just a great, huge campsite. They also have paddleboarding here, canoeing, kayaking, really just a wide range of things you can do. Right, like literally we can walk to the camp store and rent those items and go out on the smaller lakes and have some fun. But their fire rings here are nice. The gravel on the ground is kind of nice if you're not tent camping. If you're tent camping, just bring extra pads and stuff like that. But great site, great location. Lake Louisa State Park in Clermont, Florida. All right, camping cooking day 2. Breakfast is gonna be some red, orange, and yellow peppers. We got this little container here filled with fresh eggs from the house because we have chickens, of course. So we got, we're gonna shake this up really good, make some scrambled eggs, and we got like this 1970s little pot that we learned a little camping hack. So if you don't want to bring a coffee pot, you bring this dude. You pour your Dunkin' Donuts cold coffee that you buy at a store or whatever, and just heat it up in that bad boy. And then you got hot coffee, and you don't have to bring a coffee pot. You just got this little dude. So when you're, pop-up camping. All right, got this old skillet. I'm telling you, this is the way to go. All right, I don't know how many eggs you put in this thing. 10 eggs. So she fit 10 eggs into this little container. I shook it up really good, and then I just put it in this electric skillet. So if you're not using an electric skillet when camping, like not primitive camping of course, but just basic tent pop-up camping, this is the way to go. We cooked salmon last night, we cooked eggs today, and man, these things are worth their weight in gold, because you can just cook everything in them and cook outside. For those of you who like to cook outside, and you don't have to have the whole camping grill set up. You just plug it in and go. All right, we're all packed up. We got to dump out our water. Campsite's cleaned up. We always get an extra day so we can hang out for the day and finish our camping trip with a nice sunset. It's campsite 57. Great sunset, Lake Louisa, Compass Conundrum, fun weekend. Hope you enjoyed. Well, we hope you enjoyed another average adventure with Compass Conundrum. Lake Louisa State Park truly is a gem of Central Florida. And if you want to see some hiking and some of the other things that we did while at Lake Louisa State Park, be sure to check out the Adventure Race series that we have posted above. Also, it's not a bad idea to bring a camera. Some great, beautiful shots here at Lake Louisa State Park. Now, if you like the videos that you're seeing, make sure you click that subscribe button below. It's the orange and white logo. Click that and subscribe. And then, of course, if you want to learn more about Lake Louisa State Park, check the description section, check the links, and see what all it has to offer. As always at Compass Conundrum, we hope that you live, learn, and explore.